What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today we're looking at Canopy Growth, ticker symbol CGC. They just reported earnings on Friday and surprised the market with an earnings better than expected beat. Is there a turnaround coming for the whole cannabis sector? Let's get into it. All right, before we get into the video, there's going to be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. And remember that everything on the Robinhood app is free. You don't pay any fees to trade. That means buy or sell any stock. Also, options are free too. So please use that link. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. All right, here we are in the web platform of Robinhood. It's for Canopy Growth. And we're going to go ahead and look at the option I'm in, which really isn't much. I jumped in this at the end of the day Friday, well after the earnings were reported that morning. Just because I saw it hit a high earlier in the day after they released the earnings and started to come down. And I was like, let me throw $20 in this option. But we'll go ahead and look at that, and then we're going to jump over to the earnings they reported, and then we'll jump over into the Thinkorswim platform and try and see where this stock is headed. It's a $25 call expiring February 21st. I paid $21 for it. It's down $1, but I got this at the low. The high of the day was at like $74, $75. So I was like, I'll throw $20 in there because I believe it's still going to drift higher this whole week, just off of the unexpected beat on earnings. So maybe I should have put more into it. I don't know. We'll see. But now we're going to jump over to the earnings. All right, we're going to dive into these numbers on Canopy's unexpected, surprising beat. So the company reported a net loss of $93.8 million or 35 cents a share loss. They were expected to report a 52-cent loss. So that's a beat on the top line. On the bottom line, net revenues rose 49% to $93.46 million, above what was expected of about $79 million. So you got a beat on the top and bottom lines. And this was like a breath of fresh air for the cannabis sector. Now, that being said, most of these companies, the other companies out there, are burning through cash like it's nothing. And they're about to be in a world of hurt. You're going to see, I believe, a lot of these businesses go under. With Canopy, they had the luxury of not having to worry about that because they're sitting on $2.3 billion. Now, if you remember, Constellation Brands invested about $4 billion into Canopy Growth. So they're sitting pretty right now while these other companies are having to struggle to make it. And not all of them are going to. So with that being said, I'm glad Canopy posted the numbers they did. And now we're going to jump over to the Thinkorswim platform. All right, here we are in the Thinkorswim platform. Awesome platform. If you would like to use this platform, all you have to do is open an account at TD Ameritrade. You do not have to fund the account, and you'll have access to download this platform and follow all your stocks, chart all your stocks, all that good stuff. So now we're going to point out the obvious. This stock hit a high of $52.74 back on the 30th of April and a low on the 19th of November. So this about 6 months was pretty much straight down. It wasn't good, but it looks like we found a bottom. And I think things are going to turn around now. We're going to go ahead and draw this channel because this is what it's in right now. We'll take this high about right there. We're gonna make this a channel. We're gonna take that low right there. So this is the channel that we're in, an up channel. So that's a good thing. We're getting closer to meeting with that 200-day moving average, where there's gonna be some resistance there. You can count on that. So we're gonna zoom in on this channel and see where this stock may be headed. Now, here's the earnings right here. We shot up to 13%. It was way more than 13. We'll go ahead and look at that right now. So we closed the day before right here. And we shot, oh, come on. Let's zoom back in. Zoom back in. So here's the day before. We closed right there. And we're gonna take it all the way up to here. So it was up like 22% that day. It came back down, but it really blew up after that unexpected earnings beat. So we're gonna back out, zoom in. Here's the channel. So what we need to pay attention to is this top trend line. Hopefully we don't need to pay attention to the bottom one just yet, but we need to pay attention to the top trend line from about 26 to about 29, right at 29. And there's gonna be some resistance as we get towards this line. Like I said, you got the 200-day right there. We're gonna have some resistance. The thing that we can hope for is some more positive news. We need some more catalysts. We need something to say that the cannabis sector is turning around to help fuel this rally. So I'm in an option that closes or expires on the 21st of February. I truly believe that this stock is still going to drift higher. Hopefully to at least 25 before it pulls back a little bit. That's what I needed to get to. Higher would be better, but I'll take that. So we're going to need to watch this top trend line to see if we can break out. If we can get out of this channel and start a new one, that's the most positive outlook for Canopy. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like the content, subscribe, and please like the video. It helps out tremendously. It gets my information out to more people the more you like. And also smash that bell for future notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.